Okay, I just got this Trackmaster Flying Scotsman for Walmart. This is a 2.0 Trackmaster, by the way. Because since I never have a Flying Scotsman, but I finally have this. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, there's instructions. Okay, let's get started. Oh wait, there's more to money. Right, I'm sorry. Okay. Alright. Here it is. That's my first Trackmaster 3.0 and I died. Here's the first hanger, and here's the second one. Oh, got something inside. Uh-huh. Alright. Alright, just need some batteries on it. So, I'll be right back. Alright, put batteries on it. That's good. Now let's give them a run. Sorry about that, baby. I accidentally pressed the stop button. So that was meant part one. I forgot to mention that. So anyways, this is the second part, and okay, this is gonna be a test one. Anyway, so here we go. Alright. It's good. Sorry about that from that I mentioned that from early at the beginning. Anyways, that's me about it. Thank you for watching.